ready to unlock all those awesome Blookets, but your coin stash is looking a little sad. First, let's talk Game Mode's Factory is generally considered the fastest way to rack up coins because of its quick rounds and potential for bonus rewards. Focus on correctly answering questions to keep your production line running efficiently, and aim for those bonus rounds. Make sure you're answering questions as fast as possible. The faster you answer, the more coins you will earn. Don't worry, though, accuracy is key. Answering incorrectly will slow down your production line. Next up is Cafe Mode. This is a great option if you prefer a more relaxed pace. Serve those customers quickly and correctly to earn coins. Upgrade your food to increase your profit margin. Tower Defense is another good option, especially if you have good strategy skills. Correctly answering the questions allows you to place more towers and earn more coins by defeating enemies. Always prioritize using the Blookets that give you a coin bonus. Some Blookets give you an advantage in some modes that can help you earn more coins. Finally, remember consistency is key. Even short bursts of focused gameplay are better than long, infrequent sessions. Aim for a few factory runs or cafe rounds each day. With these strategies, you'll be swimming in Blooket coins in no time, unlocking all those amazing Blookets and accessories. Happy Blooketing!